Welcome to the very first episode of Weight Loss and Fitness. If you're someone who's been struggling with weight loss, trying diet after diet, workout after workout, but not seeing results, then this episode is for you. I'm your name, and my goal is to help you achieve sustainable weight loss through science-based strategies, practical tips, and real-life experience. Today, we're going to break down 5 of the most common mistakes that might be preventing you from losing weight, and more importantly, how to fix them. Trust me, I've made these mistakes myself. And I wish someone had told me this earlier. So, let's get into it. But first, if you enjoy this episode, make sure to follow this podcast so you don't miss any future episodes. Main content: 5 weight loss mistakes. Keycap 1. Mistake number 1. Eating too little or cutting calories too aggressively. Have you ever thought, the less I eat, the faster I'll lose weight? If so, you're not alone. I used to believe this too. But cutting your calories too much can actually backfire. Here's why. When you eat too little, your metabolism slows down, making it harder to burn fat. You lose muscle mass, which is key for burning calories. Extreme calorie restriction leads to constant hunger, fatigue, and eventually binge eating. How to fix it? Instead of starving yourself, create a moderate calorie deficit, about 300 to 500 calories per day. Focus on eating high-protein, nutrient-dense meals that keep you full longer. Use a calorie tracking app to make sure you're eating enough to fuel your body. Brief pause, allowing listeners to reflect. Keycap 2. Mistake number 2. Doing only cardio and ignoring strength training. I see this all the time. People spend hours on the treadmill but completely ignore strength training. If your goal is to burn fat and tone your body, weight training is a game changer. Here's the truth. Cardio burns calories while you're doing it, but strength training increases your metabolism all day long. Lifting weights helps you preserve muscle mass, so you lose fat, not muscle. More muscle equals more calories burned at rest. How to fix it? Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week alongside cardio. If you don't have access to a gym, resistance bands and bodyweight exercises are great alternatives. Don't worry about getting bulky, that's a common myth. Keycap 3. Mistake number 3. Not tracking your nutrition and macros. You've probably heard the saying, you can't out-train a bad diet. And it's 100% true. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not paying attention to what they eat. Even if you're exercising consistently, if your diet isn't aligned with your goals, you won't see results. How to fix it? Use a food tracking app to monitor your protein, carbs, and fats. Prioritize protein. It helps with muscle retention and keeps you full. Plan your meals ahead to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Brief transition sound. Keycap 4. Mistake number 4. Lack of sleep and high stress levels. This is a big one, and most people don't even realize how much sleep and stress impact weight loss. Here's what happens when you don't get enough sleep. Your hunger hormone ghrelin increases, making you crave junk food. Your satiety hormone leptin decreases, so you never feel full. Your body holds onto fat because of increased cortisol, stress hormone. How to fix it? Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Reduce stress through meditation, deep breathing, or short walks. Avoid caffeine late in the day, it can interfere with deep sleep. Keycap 5. Mistake number 5. Expecting fast results and giving up too soon. I get it. Everyone wants to see results ASAP. But the reality is, sustainable weight loss takes time. Most people quit after 2 to 3 weeks when they don't see dramatic changes. But the truth is, your body needs at least 8 to 12 weeks to show noticeable progress. Consistency beats perfection. Small, daily improvements lead to big results over time. Progress isn't just about the scale. Take photos, measure your waist, and track your workouts. So my advice? Stay patient, trust the process, and remember, this is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. So there you have it. 5 of the most common weight loss mistakes and how to fix them. Let's do a quick recap. Don't eat too little, fuel your body properly. Don't skip strength training, build muscle to burn more fat. Track your food and macros, it's more important than you think. Prioritize sleep and stress management, they play a huge role in weight loss. Be patient and consistent, real change takes time. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to follow this podcast so you don't miss future episodes. Also, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, send me a message on Instagram, at your Instagram handle. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next episode.